Hi, my name is Meri Rimmanen, and together with my colleagues Achilles Nicolaou and Andreas Feil, we would like to talk you through the new non-performing loan templates of the EBA. After the financial crisis, the level of non-performing loans, or NPLs, across the European banking sector rose to historically high levels.
Dealing with this legacy since the crisis has not been easy for the banks.
In a report on NPLs published in 2016, the EBA identified the lack of active NPL markets as one of the main obstacles European banks faced in their efforts to reduce NPLs.
Because of this, the European Council invited us in July 2017 to contribute to its action plan to address non-performing loans in Europe.
One of the main problems for active secondary markets for NPLs in Europe is the lack of comprehensive, reliable and comparable data. Given our expertise in data standardization, we were asked to design common templates that would help reduce information asymmetries between buyers and sellers.
We believe standardizing transaction-related NPL data will improve data quality and its availability to market participants, make data comparable, and in this way widen the investors' base by lowering entry barriers.
Once this is achieved, price discovery for both buyers and sellers will be made easier and facilitate NPL transactions.
We have designed two sets of templates, the portfolio screening template and the due diligence and valuation template.
At the beginning of a potential transaction, buyers and sellers may use the portfolio screening template to perform a market-sounding exercise.
These templates provide key features of an NPL portfolio at an aggregated level, such as outstanding balances, loan-to-values, and remaining maturities.
To help potential bidders perform evaluation and financial due diligence, we have also designed the NPL transaction templates.
We've designed 8 different NPL transaction templates, each for different asset class, such as for residential mortgage loans, SME and corporate loans.
These are accompanied by a data dictionary, instructions and the validation rules.
The data dictionary is the key element of the EBA NPL transaction templates.
It provides a short description of each data field, its classification, the references to existing reporting templates, and whether there are any potential data protection rules or confidentiality restrictions applied.
The instructions are another key element of the templates. Here, the users can find more detailed information on the data fields.
We also identify the key steps of insolvency procedures in the individual EU member states.
To help banks reduce implementation costs, the NPL transaction templates build on existing reporting requirements.
We have also classified each data field by its relevance in the financial due diligence and valuation process into 3 categories: the critical, the important and the moderate.
Accurate and detailed information is key for investors as it reduces uncertainty around the valuation.
It is therefore important that banks do their best to provide this information.
Moreover, we have developed validation rules which will help banks and investors when checking the data provided in the templates.
We believe that using these templates on a recurring basis will make the whole process of selling NPL portfolios easier for both banks and investors.
These templates can be widely used in individual transactions, but also as a foundation for asset management companies and NPL transaction platforms.
These templates will bring benefits to all parties.
Firstly, to banks, as they will know exactly what data is needed to meet investors' requests, and if they manage to deliver this data, they could achieve higher selling price.
Secondly, to investors,
as it will be easier for them to perform an accurate due diligence and valuation,
and help them reduce the time and resources needed.
And finally, to the public, as efficient secondary NPL markets will enable banks to reduce their levels of NPLs and provide new lending to the real economy, which further supports economic growth.
The EBA NPL templates are ready to use. Please visit our website where you can find them.